I don't know about you, but for me, these are two shoes that I could not wear on a daily basis. I wouldn't even wear these shoes after it had rained the next day and the sun was shining because, of course, with white shoes, you don't want to get them dirty. And, of course, with those Dunks, I wouldn't want to get those dirty either. But if I compare and contrast between the both of these are lovely shoes. I give them both a 10, but, of course, I don't have to give that. Nike Cortez is a little bit higher because it's a Nike Cortez, and I love those shoes. But, like I said, these are nice, white, and crispy. Don't want to wear these every day. Can't wear these every day. These are not for play. And then these Dunks over here, these Dunks are nice. They would look fabulous with some ripped black jeans on and a nice shirt. You just got to know how to style these shoes up. Both summer shoes, both very nice. 10 out of 10. All right, so I want to give you a show of how both shoes look on my feet. Of course, my feet are small, so they're going to look fabulous. And of course, these Nike Cortezes are so white that you can't even see the check on it, but that's how good it is against my nice rich chocolate skin. And of course, you have these Dunks that look amazing as well. Like I said, you can wear these shoes with jeans, joggers, skirt. It all depends on what your style is. Like I said, these shoes are summertime shoes, so of course it's going to pop underneath the sun, moon and stars.